Hello, my name is Josef Spidlen.
I'm Ryan Brinkman.
I'm Goce Bogdanoski.
And I'm Kamila Czechowska. And we would like to invite you to this AI-generated video that is preamble to our Chatflow workshop at CYTO 2024 in Edinburgh. Enjoy the show.
Have you ever pondered the transformative power of artificial intelligence in the realm of flow cytometry? Welcome to a journey teeming with innovation and discovery, where the marvels of technology meet the intricacies of biology. Artificial intelligence, an umbrella term that embraces machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks, is revolutionizing our ability to decipher complex biological data. These tools, powered by AI, are not only learning from data, but are also making informed decisions based on it. Now visualize the potential when AI intertwines with flow cytometry. Automated gating, clustering methods, and dimensionality reduction tools like t-SNE and UMAP are no strangers to many of us. These computational methods have been our allies in data analysis and interpretation. But what if we could ascend a step higher with the aid of large language models and the myriad co-pilots that have surfaced recently? AI is a powerful ally in identifying patterns and insights that were once elusive, pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve in medical research and clinical diagnostics. However, this power must be wielded with responsibility. As we incorporate AI into our workflows, we must remain vigilant about our data quality, the transparency of our algorithms, and the ethical implications of automated decision-making. It's an exhilarating frontier that demands careful navigation. Consider for a moment the concept of AI hallucinations. What might be the implications if AI provides false or misleading information due to limitations or biases in the training data, algorithms, or the model's complexity? High-quality data is vital to ensure the reliability and trustworthiness of AI systems, particularly in critical applications like diagnostics and healthcare, where misinformation can have dire consequences. It is human nature to question and seek evidence. Worldwide, there are gaps in availability and quality of medical care and diagnostic testing. AI will not replace medical professionals anytime soon, but might help providers supplement existing workforce, improve accuracy, and detect diseases sooner. With AI, our generation has the opportunity to shift from medical condition management and treatment to medical condition prevention. Traditional data analysis often relies on manual gating to identify cell populations, but AI offers a new alternative. AI-based approaches, such as clustering algorithms and neural networks, can identify populations without the need for subjective gating. By leveraging AI, researchers might achieve more consistent and reproducible results across different datasets and experimental conditions. AI is not going to solve every problem better than all other alternatives. Selecting the proper algorithms for data analysis is still crucial. Researchers must consider factors such as the nature of the data, the research question at hand, and the desired level of interpretability. While deep learning models offer unparalleled performance on complex datasets, simpler algorithms may be more suitable for straightforward analyses with clear interpretability requirements. When AI looks to be the better solution than manual analyses, it will require additional effort beyond mere development. For example, we will need to validate AI-generated results against established benchmarks and manual analyses to ensure accuracy and reliability. Additionally, ongoing training and education are essential to familiarize users with AI tools and foster trust in the new analytical approaches. Are you prepared to share your experiences or concerns? If so, we encourage you to comment and express your interest in discussing how artificial intelligence can assist in analyzing and interpreting flow cytometry data as part of the Chatflow workshop at CYTO 2024. We look forward to your insights. Thank you.